Today's video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the table tracking functionality on the SRC550 register. Now, as standard on the machine, it doesn't have any table tracking. It's a dormant feature that has to be activated by macking the machine in a certain way. When you mac the machine, you lose all your existing programming and all your sales information. So it's like setting the machine back to factory default, but you've altered the memory so that instead of having the option for cashiers and extra PLUs or scanning lines, you've basically got most of the memory dedicated towards table tracking. Now, when you set this up, not only do you lose any existing programming and all the sales data, but you should be aware that the table tracking isn't or is a limited function. So in our tests we found that you get around about 1200 lines that you can have open at any one time. So that means if you've got 10 tabs open, they can't have any more than 100 to 120 lines per tab. So what I'd recommend you do is this video we're going to actually set the memory allocation up for this functionality, but before you do that I'd recommend you watch the rest of the videos in this playlist to check out that, and where I'll go into proper detail about how the system works and what the limitations are of it. So it's probably worth watching those first. If you've already watched them and you just want to know how to do the process, then that's what I'll explain now. To reset the SRC550 for table tracking, turn the key to off, press and hold down feed, turn the key to PGM and release feed. The machine will display init with lots of zeros, and you need to type in the following code: 10020 followed by subtotal. The machine will now take a couple of minutes to perform the reset. When it does, you will have lost all programming, all sales data, a lot of the PLU file in terms of the overall memory for PLUs and scanning lines, and you'll also have lost the ability to have cashiers on the machine, but the machine will be ready to have tabs. Obviously only perform the reset if you're happy with this outcome. There we go. We know the reset has been successful because our init code 10020 has appeared there. Please check out the remaining videos to do with setting up table tracking on the SRC550, some of which will be appearing on here. They'll show you the limitations of the machine, the table tracking, and also show you how to get the best out of it. So I'd recommend you watch those and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.